This video is about facts and opinions. Facts are things that are known or proved to be true. Opinions, a view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. Now, we will have a short activity about fact and opinion. Answer this, if it is a fact or opinion. Number 1. The whiteboard is color white. Number 2. Playing volleyball is really fun. Number 3. Learning English is easy. Number 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Number 5. The best place on earth is the beach.